Some of them are very funny though.
Yes. I think it.
Ladies and gentlemen, those of you queuing up at the ticket machines, if you turn to your right, follow the District and Circle Line signs along the corridor, or follow the blue lines along the floor to the District and Circle Line ticket hall. There are plenty of ticket machines available for you to use.
Customer service updates. There is a park closure on the Metropolitan line, no service between Brighton and Uxbridge. A park closure on 15 line between Rains Lane to Uxbridge. This is going to planned engineering works. There is a good service operation on all other lines.